Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Previously, we've learned how to add and customize pop-ups as well as how to link your pop-up elements. Today, we are going to learn how to manage your pop-ups so you'll know how to rename it, duplicate it, or even delete it so you can organize your pages and keep your site tidy. Let's get started. Go to this drop down over here and look for your pop-up page. Just hover over it and click the three dot button next to it. From here, you'll see a drop down with three options. So here you'll have the option to rename it. And once you rename it, you can then start typing. And once you're done typing, you can click on this check mark to save your pop-up's new name. Moving on, if you'd like to duplicate your pop-up, this is what you can do. You can click on duplicate and a duplicate of your pop-up will be created. And if you'd like to delete a pop-up, you can just click on the three dot button next to it once again and hit delete. A warning pop-up will appear saying that this will permanently delete the lightbox. Once you're sure, click on delete to confirm and it will be removed from your site. By the way, once you delete that pop-up, there's no more way for you to restore it back. So make sure that you're ready to have it deleted once you decide to do so. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for checking out today's video. If you wish to see more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.